I think the game I think is most interesting is simple supply and demand trading, where one group of people are told you have some value for something, and if you can buy it at a price less than your value, you're going to get to pocket the difference. So in experiments we do in university labs, we often pay actual money, so you can earn more money if you really trade wisely. And the reason I think that's so interesting is it appears as if even if subjects are doing something pretty simple, like they're just waiting until they see the price go up to a certain like goal point, the collective behavior is extremely efficient, which means almost all the people who value things a lot buy them from all the people who can produce them most cheaply. This is what Adam Smith meant by the invisible hand. Nobody is telling them what to do and guiding them. There's a scoreboard, which is just the price, basically the price people are willing to pay, so they keep track of that. And so it's quite a triumph that the centralized trade, where no individual person in that market really knows very much about it, is able to collectively produce really good games.